guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie, aka Carmen Bella, and today's video is like a get unready with me. I already took my bath and stuff. I only did my brows and little concealer and mascara. Hold on. I'm in my bathroom and the sink is dirty. I don't want to drop nothing in it. Anyway. It's gonna go on the video too.
No, don't put it on there. I was lying. I was trying to see my makeup. Start over. I
know you're cute.
No, I need to be cleaned up. I look like faded.
You want a mascara? I mean a makeup remover. You want a makeup remover?
That was a good lighting picture.
Y'all like my hair? I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. But anyways, I gotta take off my brows. I think it's nasty. I have my little makeup box right here. I'm going to show you guys after, because not makeup, but my pamper box. Sorry, I keep touching the camera. I'm going to show you guys after because it's holding up my phone. This feels like a weird angle. But anyways, so I'm going to just take off my brows real quick. And I think I did actually good today on my brows. Plus, I like to wipe, I like to do a clean on my face. I do about every night, but I don't do the like deep clean with the products I'm gonna show you guys every night because I just don't like to use the harsh products every day on my skin. I use like bar soap Dove with my little brush. That's in my current favorites. And I use that every day with a little Dove.
Why is it not coming off my eye?
What is it?
Eyeliner.
Maybe not wiping it right. So see, I barely had any makeup, but I'm gonna still go over my whole head. Now I might burn a little bit. I heard other people say I thought it was only me. Sorry, I'm sick and I have a cough drop in my mouth. These might burn, but I thought it was just me. It's the plate makeup wipes. They might burn a little bit. They burn my eyes. But I thought it was only me. And I was like, well, I need to stop using these. But I was watching this one lady on YouTube and she uses them. She says, I love them, but they burn my eyes, but I'm going to keep using them. So the products that I have today is my Conair little, what are these called?
A facial brush? I don't know.
Spin brush? I don't know.
Yeah, that's exactly what they call it.
Spin brush. And then I have this Acne Dote, whatever. Sorry, Mr. Jonathan. She was just in here, you know. Ooh. And then I have my Nature's Best Natural Products Body Scrub Strawberry. I use this as like a exfoliator for my face. Even though this one is like a face and body scrub, I just love the smell of this one. It always relaxes me when I do like a deep thing like face wash. So that's why I use this. And I use this right here as well to wash my face. So I'm going with this first. Then with this, and then last with this, and I do this once a week. Sorry I keep touching the camera, it's like slipping. Sorry if you hear the water dripping, I have the water like right under me. So I'm gonna just get it all set up. And I'm gonna put it all over my face. Oh, get these edges and baby hairs out the way. And get the towel, put it right in front of me. So I always start off on the lowest speed. And I'll turn the water off so you guys don't hear it. Sorry, y'all. I will do another skincare routine. I'm just waiting on my last little products to come in so that I can test out the Vanity Planet little spin brush I have. Let me get this. Let me wet my edge brush. Sorry, y'all. end of the night. Brush them edges on out the way so I can clean my forehead. Because I feel like now that I use this gel, I use gel and stuff on my face. See, when I'm doing this every day, I make it real soapy, but I'm using a lot of products, so I won't go in. And then what I do, I'll rinse it off, and then I'll do the next one. So I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to tap on my face, and then I'm going to go in with the Acne Adult Face and Body. I use for about a month now. It's like smells mentholated. It hasn't irritated my skin. This dope, what I dislike, it's real runny. This is the product. So what I would say about this product is real runny. Like, as soon as you turn the bottle over, it runs out. Is this angle good or what? Okay. Oh, y'all, look at my nails. So what I do is I'm going to wet my brush. And I'm using warm water. Start it off on a low spin.
Mommy.
And then speed it up. You eating a cracker, a cookie?
Yeah.
I really like to get my nose because, like,
Auntie.
I've been having some dark marks.
Mommy.
Yes. Yeah, check my mic.
Auntie. Get it to me.
Okay, go sit down.
Auntie.
What?
Do you know where the jelly at?
No, go find it. You got it last. Get out. I feel like, I swear, everybody wants to come bother me. Like, literally, everybody was asleep. It's Thanksgiving. It's like 7, 8 o'clock. I put all the food away. My mom went upstairs to rest. My grandma started asking me for service. You guys know, they call it hospice care. So she's still in that, but she's home. And I don't know if you guys can hear me. And I gave her what she needed. And then my little curls. And then after that, I took a shower. I gave Aiden a bath. I put all the dinner away. I washed the dishes. And that's when I was like, oh, I need to do this video. You know? And everybody wants to come bother me. You know? I do my nose because I don't know if you guys seen, I have like, I'll show you guys when I'm washing my face. I have like these things that came in the summer. And I don't know if those are my glasses and like sweating. But I'm really insecure about it, for one. I scrub it like really, like I go in hard like this. Because whatever it was, it lightened up. So always pull it off because they pop off. And I rinse it off before I use the next scrub, because this face scrub, it's a scrub, but it doesn't make my skin feel baby soft like this nature one does, this one. So that's like another reason why I use it too. I'm really insecure about my arms, so I'm proud of myself for coming on here like this. So let me rinse this off, and then I'll come back, do the last one, show you what I moisturize my face with. I'm going to brush my teeth, and then I'm going to wrap my hair up and go lay down. All right, so last, I'm going to go in with this strawberry scrub, just this much. Smells like heaven. So for this, I just wet my hand a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear the water dripping. And I necessarily don't even use the scrub real to do this part. And yeah. I need a little bit more. I have dark eyes, and it's because I'm growing up with eczema. So that's why if you ever like, oh, Carmen, is your eye bruised? What's going on, baby girl? It's because of my eczema. It's like scarring. And this is all natural, all organic. So if you intake some, it won't harm you. That's another reason why I love it. And I'm just going in real good. Is your guys' angle cool? Doing it on my neck. And this feels really good. But this is what I'm talking about on my nose. You see it's on this side? And it's like lightened up on this side. So I always try to use a scrub, both scrubs, and do work it in on my nose. Alright, I'm gonna rinse my hands. Try not to drop it. Because it's set up, I'm gonna show y'all it when I'm done. Okay, you're gonna close that up. Oh wait, I lied. Forget. Can't forget about your lips. And I'll do this twice a week. My lip. So now it's time to rinse the face. Oh. Alright, so that is all for my face. So I'm gonna turn the water on. Bless my teeth. Had to spit out my haul. Got the pearly whites popping. So next thing for my get ready for me for Thanksgiving, I need my face. This is Shea Moisture's Ultra Hearing All Over Hydrating 100% raw shea butter, and it's mixed with like the 100% African shea butter. And I mixed it because I was running out and my sister had some. But I bought some more today before I came in from being at my big mama house. A generous amount. So basically, my face is like a baby soft. But I got eczema, so this is like a must for me. In my hands, because that's where I get it bad at. I already did lotion myself up, but I always get a little bit too much. Now the glue I use is Work to keep my skin flawless. And putting all this shea butter in this time of year is, my phone keeps slipping. Putting shea butter on my face around this time of year is like a must for me because my elbows look ashy. I have very sensitive skin. My eczema will flare up so as an adult, as a kid, I didn't really understand. But as an adult, I make sure everything is lotioned and moisturized and hydrated. Even with Aiden, y'all, my nails is just bomb. But, so what I do is, find a dry piece of my towel, and I go, and I just pat my face, just like that. And then I'm done. So let me get my scarf and all that for you guys. And then I wrap my hair up and then we'll be out. You guys were falling. I'm gonna use my thicker hair tie. And I might just leave my hair just like this and go to sleep. So I'm not going to sleep just now. I'm not going to sleep just now. So I'm going to leave my hair like this. Because she been in a ponytail. So I'm just pop one hair tie just like this on her, just like that. Just because, when you wear your hair in a ponytail, it pulls your hair. So that's my only. So that's why I just rather put one. And then I'll put my bonnet over it. And then we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will do an updated skincare routine using my Vandy Planet spin brush, I believe it's called. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it if you haven't already subscribed. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. If you guys had a week off for work and school, because I work with school district, so I get a week off. If you guys enjoyed your break, give this video a thumbs up. I know I am. I loved it. It was much needed time to myself and to my child. And yeah, we just been doing all the family stuff. I love you. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video.